$75.40 on the Disney Wish for a short sailing here. We have, whoops, forgot to plug in my light card. Have a split bathroom, as most rooms on board do. It's a great size. It's a Frozen themed room. Beautiful painting up there. And here is all of our storage space. Big closet there. Lots of shelves here and our safe. And more closet here with our 2 robes. And here's our Castaway Club gifts waiting for us. Phone. That's a really smart angular trash can there to save space. Got a couch, and we do not have a Murphy bed in this room. There is a refrigerator in here. And here we are in Port Canaveral. That's it. Should be a great room.